Hi, today I'm just going to show you how to pick out some seedlings. If you're anything like me, you've got lots of pots looking like this at the moment, absolutely full. These are actually basil seedlings, and I want to pot them on into their own individual modules now, so that they're not competing with each other for nutrient in the soil. This is the way I'm going to do it. So take the label out of the pot and very gently turn the pot upside down, like that. And then you need a very fine point. This is actually an old paintbrush, but it serves me very well as a nice little dibber. That's the term for it. Now, the thing with seedlings is that you try not to touch the root or the stem of it. Only handle it by the little leaves at the top. This is a tray of peat-free seed compost, which I've mixed with a bit of vermiculite to keep it loose, keep it a bit looser. I'm just going to make a little hole in there and ever so gently tuck my seedling into that module. This has already been moistened a little bit. It's quite damp compost at the moment. And then very gently again ease out the next seedling ever so carefully, so that you've got the whole root there, and then very gently tuck it in to the next module. And away you go with that one, tucking it in to its new home. There, ready to grow more in its own space. This is a reused seed tray. I've used it for many years, and it just gets cleaned out each winter and then used again, and that's probably the best way of using plastic that you've already got for your gardening. When I filled this tray, then I will water it just ever so slightly more, just so that the soil is tucked in around that root. It just settles the compost a tiny bit more around that root, but no more. They mustn't be kept absolutely wet, or they're still possible. They're still likely to rot. Okay, and that's it. And when I finish the whole tray, I will put it in a warm place for these to grow on.